Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to discuss class 8 poem The Last Bargain by Rabindranath Tagore. This is a short video, but we are going to cover everything about this poem, the summary, the poetic devices, basically everything. So let's start with the video. So, as we all know about Rabindranath Tagore, he was a great poet and he also wrote our national anthem. So, in this poem, The Last Bargain, so what bargains basically means? It means a settlement or deal between two parties, like we all do bargaining in markets, right? So, in this poem, one man or one worker who wants to be hired and who is trying to find job, he's yelling and crying in streets, trying to find a job. So in first stanza, this man was walking and crying in the morning with hope and courage that he would get hired. Then suddenly one king came in chariot in Hindi, which is called Rath, and he offers the man, he says, I will hire you with my power. So he is trying to hire the worker with his power because he's king, he's very powerful. But according to this person, power is worthless. He does not give any importance to power. In next stanza, similarly, the narrator is now walking in afternoon. It is a summer afternoon. The doors are closed. No one is around in streets. Everybody is at home. And that road was crooked. Crooked means that road was not plain in Hindi, which is called Ubar Khabar road. And then suddenly an old man came and offered hiring him with his money. He was very confident, very wealthy, but narrator turned him down too. Because narrator does not give any importance to money also, as like power. Then in next stanza, the narrator was very hopeless and it was evening. Then suddenly one fair maid came and said, I will hire with a smile, which represents beauty. But then her smile paled and melted in tears, and she went back into the dark, which means smile or beauty is also temporary. No one can be happy throughout his or her life. There are sad moments, there are happy moments. We feel every emotions in life. Now the worker feels hopeless as he has not got any job yet. But then at last he saw a child playing with shells in sand. Then the child said, I hire you with nothing. The worker felt really deep and that line touched worker's heart and he agreed with that bargain. He agreed because that made him feel like a free man, which signifies freedom. So the narrator wanted freedom from the starting. The narrator finally agreed on the last bargain, which is also a title of our poem. So the next thing which we are going to discuss is poetic devices, which are very limited in this poem because there is no rhyming scheme, there is no similar pattern in whole poem. So the first poetic device which is in this poem is symbolism, which means ideas to represent something beyond the literal meaning. For example, stone paved road and crooked lane. The literal means of this is the road which is not plain, the road which is full of stones, but it signifies hard and difficult path which poet was traveling. Another example could be mourning, which symbolize hope and courage. The second poetic device is alliteration, which means repetition of consonant sounds. For example, I was walking on the stone paved road. Was walking are the consonant sounds. That's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.